Okay, so we've got our broccoli. Again, we're going to take about a half a teaspoon of oil and drizzle it over the broccoli. I'm going to mix it up. It's probably easier if you do this with your hands. And then we're going to take another half a teaspoon. Or, actually, we could try it a different way this time. And we could just shake the sesame seeds right onto the broccoli. Works out to be about a half a teaspoon. By the way, the first salad, the spinach salad, was called shigum chi muchim, which muchim is the word for salad, and shigum chi is spinach. Not sure what the Korean word for broccoli is, so we'll call this broccoli muchim. And then we're going to take a little bit of salt. I just happen to like kosher salt, but you can use whatever. I'm going to pinch that over it. Just adds a little bit of flavor. Mix that up nice and good. And now we have two of our side dishes.